All right, so this next question is question 17 of the 2023 exam 2 multiple choice. And this is asking us for a cylinder to express the volume in terms of x and y only. Now, to do this question, we have to make sure that we call up the formula. Volume is equal to pi r squared times h. So when we're talking about a cylinder, okay, we're talking about the area multiplied by the height. So in this case, we want our volume formula to not have any r's or h's in there. So let's work out a formula for our h first. Now, if we look at h, it's down here. H can be written as x, so the whole value of x, subtract, x is equal to h plus, in this case, we've got r is the radius, so we've got 2r as the one circle, so that means we've got 4r. So h plus 4r as our formula here. Let's transpose it so that we get maybe h by itself. So h is equal to x minus 4r. So that's our first formula that we can kind of work with in a moment. Now, the other thing we have to work out is a formula for y. Now, y is given by this, and the only information that we really have here is this circle. Now, the beauty of this circle is that if you imagine it unraveling at this point here, this highlighted yellow bit, if we unravel that, and that's our endpoint, if we unravel that, because it's a cylinder, because this bit here tucks into the cylinder, or like as a loop or on the edge, that yellow bit, those two yellow bits are the same length. Likewise, this blue bit here is also the same length as this, because if you can imagine like a cylinder being unwrapped, the label itself can be turned into a circle, and vice versa. The circle can also be turned into a straight edge. So we've actually got the relationship now as the value for y is equal to the radius, so the circumference of the circle, so 2 pi r. Okay, and so r is equal to y on 2 pi. So we've got everything that we can substitute in. So we've got volume is equal to pi, and for r, we're going to write y on 2 pi times h squared. We've got x minus 4r. Now, we still don't want to write r in there, so we've got to substitute r back in with what we've got here. So this gives us volume is equal to pi times y on 2 pi times x minus 4 brackets y on 2 pi. Now, if you plug this into the CAS, because at this point, obviously, trying to do this by hand will be not as efficient, you should get the answer B for this one, and it should simplify to that.